Okay, yeah, so my brows are already done as usual. Use the ABH Dipbrow in the color Ebony and my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Creamy Beige. I used the Creamy Beige on the bottom and I used Cool Tan on the top. And I'm just going to be doing a real simple natural look today. I am going to add some color to my bottom lash line, and I'm also going to add some bottom lashes. But other than that, everything's just going to be real natural looking. So I'm just taking that concealer that I used to clean up my brows, and I'm just kind of pulling it down over my eyelid. I'm going to use two colors on my eyes, and I always use the lighter color at the top right underneath my brow. So we're going to go ahead and add that first. And this was the color that I used right here. And now I'm going to use this color on my lid. And even though you're only using one or two colors, you still want to make sure that it is blended out well. Okay, I'm gonna use my NYX matte liquid liner. Okay, y'all, these lashes gave me the business, but we got it done. And I think they look pretty good. For my first time, I must say that I did do that. Okay, so if y'all like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look for my hair, I will leave a link to that video in the description box below. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box below. As always, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. And make sure that you tap the bell button so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.